All right, Miss Aurorah is back. Secured entrepreneurs. When it comes to protecting your assets, securing your legacy, and ensuring that your loved ones are taken care of, we here in the Secured Entrepreneur Movement know that trusts are one of the most powerful tools available. We also know that, Miss Aurorah is the trust goddess. But with so many options, how do you choose the right one? Now, this is one of the questions that we get emailed a lot, and I want to thank you all for emailing. Please continue to do so at info@aurorahdayconsulting.com. Today, we're breaking down the different types of trusts so you can make an informed decision that fits your business and financial goals. Can we do it? Okay, before Miss Aurorah gets into it, I'm going to ask you to like this video. Please share the video with people that you actually like, okay? Comment below when it gets good to you. Subscribe to the channel if you have not. And for those of you who don't know who I am Miss Aurorah Dey, and I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs just like you build 6- and 7-figure tax-free businesses. You heard that right. Stick around because we know that this is the Secured Entrepreneur Movement. So, in simple terms, a trust happens to be a legal arrangement where you transfer assets to be managed by a trustee on behalf of your chosen beneficiaries. Now, whether you want to avoid probate, minimize taxes, or protect wealth for future generations, there is a trust designed to meet your needs. Let's explore the different types of trusts and what they can do for you. All right, I'm going to first get into the revocable living trust. It's popular. Okay, a lot of people are talking about it. Not too many people know how to operate one, and they're not really sure what it's going to do in the end, simply because a revocable living trust gives you flexibility and control over your assets while you're alive. Now, with the revocable living trust, you can modify or even revoke it at any time. And people will tell you that it's going to help avoid probate and, provide privacy and can offer potential tax benefits. However, because you still have control, the assets remain part of your taxable estate. There are no tax advantages to having a revocable living trust. I repeat, there are no tax advantages having a revocable living trust. So whomever is telling people that this revocable living trust is really going to create an outcome that is desirable for heirs, okay, I'm here to tell you that it's false, okay? Now, unlike a revocable trust, an irrevocable trust cannot be changed once it's established. While this may sound restrictive, it does provide strong asset protection from creditors and lawsuits. Plus, it can reduce estate taxes by removing assets from your taxable estate. Now, Ms. Aurorah is only going to get into a few because I'll just tell you, on this channel, we've got so many trust videos. I really want you to go take a look. I'm really just trying to answer this question because we get this a lot via email, okay? So a charitable trust is going to allow you to set aside assets for charitable purposes while receiving tax deductions. True and true. It's a great way to give back to the causes you care about while securing financial benefits for yourself and your heirs. When you all come on board to the Sole Proprietor To CEO group program, Miss Aurorah really does a deep dive into all of these things and how you actually operate these things and live tax-free for the remainder of your lives and generationally, okay? So please don't miss out on that. Now, while we've covered some of the most common trusts, there are countless other types designed for specific purposes. I mean, we've got rabbi trusts, religious trust, charitable remainder trust, spendthrift trust, special needs trust. Okay, the list goes on. Each trust serves a unique function in estate planning and asset protection. If you want to dive deeper into these specialized trusts, please check out the other trust videos available right here on the channel. So let's start assessing your goals. Before choosing a trust, you might want to start asking yourself some questions like, hey, do I want to maintain control over my assets? Am I looking for asset protection from creditors? Is minimizing estate taxes a priority for me? Do I have a specific wish for how my assets should be distributed? You know what I'm saying? Consider factors like the size of your estate, family dynamics, and that's a real one, okay? And future financial needs. If in fact you have a high net worth or some complex assets, of course, an irrevocable trust might be ideal. If privacy and probate avoidance are your priorities, again, I'm going with an irrevocable trust being ideal, okay? Because here's some of the benefits. Trusts help shield your assets from creditors, lawsuits, and even family disputes. And that's a very real thing, especially if you are a high net worth individual, right? Ensuring your wealth stays secure. By utilizing the right trust structure, you can significantly reduce estate taxes and, in some cases, lower your income tax obligations. Now, see, when you come on board to the Sole Proprietor To CEO program, you're going to learn all about that, okay? Trusts do ensure that your hard-earned wealth is distributed according to your wishes, providing your loved ones and securing your legacy for generations to come. It's a very real thing, all right? So today, we explored revocable living trust, irrevocable trust, and charitable trust. Each serves a unique purpose, and the right choice depends on your financial goals. And remember, there are many more trust types to consider. Be sure to check out the other videos on this channel for more in-depth insights. With evolving laws and financial strategies, trusts continue to play a critical role in wealth preservation. You've got to stay informed, you've got to stay proactive, and you've got to take control of your financial future. Now, if you're ready to secure your legacy, I'm going to ask you to go down in the description box and click the links for the tax-free wealth training, and also check out the Sole Proprietor To CEO group program where, you know, the secured entrepreneurs here, we get it in. All right. So now you all know you can find me, Miss Aurorah Dey, at AurorahDayConsulting.com. And until next time, ta-ta.